So you may not know this, but just like computers do, websites can also get malware and viruses. So check that your website is clean. Go to Google and type in website malware check, and you're going to find a bunch of tools that are going to help you check your website to make sure that it's clean, doesn't have any malware in it, and you don't have any problems. Malware for a website is kind of smart. So you could just type in your address to your website, go, and you're not going to see anything strange or out of place. But if someone searches on Google and then goes to your website, the malware detects where the user came from. And if it's Google, then it'll show banners or images or do redirects to another type of page. So you may not notice it unless you do whatever the malware uses to run on your website. But the best way to do is just check, use a tool to check for malware, make sure that your website is clean. Usually web servers are good enough to not be hacked or have malware on them. But for example, if you use WordPress and you have like a really old version and haven't updated in a while, you could be in risk of having malware on your website. So what's the issue other than, maybe not providing a good user experience when people land on your website is that when Google sees a website that has malware or virus on it, it knows it's a danger to its users. So it'll de-index your website. That means that it will no longer appear on search results, and we don't want that. All right. So it won't take you more than a couple of minutes. Go look for a website malware check and run it. Make sure that everything is working fine, and you're set to go.